Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to permanently delete files in Windows in a very simple way. If you click on this folder icon and if you just go for any of file, like I'm choosing this one, screenshots, and if you just simply delete it, like I want to delete this file over here, you can see, and I'm going to delete it, and you can see this file is deleted. But if you come over recycle bin, you will get this file over here, and if you just select them, delete, it will permanently delete from your Windows. You can also do a very simple way. If you just click this office file another time, and if you just simply click on shift and delete, it will see like there will be a notification pops up called, are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? If you click yes, and it will be permanently deleted and it will not come over into this recycle bin over here. So this is how you can permanently delete files in Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.